Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mate. Some friends installed the BMW Android screen, but he found there's no sound in the speakers. The original radio is working, but when he play the music or video in the Android screen, there's no sound in the speakers. So today you just follow me step by step and we can find where is the problems. Okay, now let's go. Here is the list. Before talking the details for these steps, I would like to show you how the Android screen works in the car. This is the Android screen. The Android screen without amplifier inside. So the sound rely on the sound system from BMW. The sound go through AUX, and if the car is evil, the sound go through USB, and then the sound will go to the original radio. The original radio have built-in amplifier or external amplifier. Then it output the sound to speakers, so we can hear the sound in speakers. This picture shows the menu for the iDrive version, CCC, CIC, NBT, and these cars without original display. All these, the sound go through aux, and the evil cars, the sound go through USB. Okay, now let's talking about the first optical cable here, the first one. What is the optical fiber cable? This picture, it have two big optical fiber cable here. The optical fiber cable connect to the radio head unit here. The sound go through optical fiber cable. So the first step is to move the optical fiber cable to new power cable. This is the first step. Here, it will show the details to how to move it. Here, there's a video demo. It will tell you how to move the optical fiber cable to new power cable. Now, we're talking about the second steps. As we know, the sound go through aux or USB, right? So that's very important to track the connection for the AUX cable or USB cable. In the wire diagram, the sound, you can see audio out and connect the AUX cable, and this end connect to the AUX in the armrest spots. You must make sure the connection is good, evil car, because the sound go through USB here. So you need to connect the USB here. It also have a video demo to tell you how to connect the USB cable. This one will show you how to connect the USB for the Evo model. Next, choose aux in the original menu. This is the CCC car type. You can go to the aux here, turn the volume up here. And the CIC model is go to the CD multimedia, choose aux, volume up. The Evo, so go to the media and choose this. Also increase the volume, NBT. Oh, increase the volume here. See? For the models without original screen, you need to make sure the aux mode, the fourth, CarPlay, not connect to OEM Bluetooth. If you connect the CarPlay, you just connect to Android side only. Don't connect to the original Bluetooth or Android Bluetooth. They don't allow to connect two connections in the car. There's no sound here. No sound at all. It have connect to the original Bluetooth. So there's no sound right now. Here, no sound. So you must disconnect the Bluetooth. I will tell you how to disconnect it. The first is to turn off the original Bluetooth. You can remove the option here, and the Bluetooth will not activate. This is the first way. And the second way is to handle in your cell phone. For example, this is my key in the cell phone. I just click here and forget this device. And when I get into the car, my phone will not connect to the original Bluetooth. So he just remember the connection for the CarPlay. So you can test the audio in the car. And check the settings in factory menu. Now we're talking about the setting. Factory. Password. Function here. Amplify selection. You should choose OEM amplify. That means original amplifier. Here. Don't choose aftermarket. And vehicle here. You can choose the radio brand in your car, such as Alpine or Harman. You can check the radio brand and AUX switching. When you choose automatically, if not work, you should choose manual here. And here, don't change this, just keep default. And I want to show you another setting is the warrant here. Android warrant, OEM warrant here. Another way is to change here, the Android side, the sound here. You should set to the maximum here. If I set to the lower, such as this, the sound will very low when you play the music here. Almost cannot hear. And increase the volume, but in the Android side, it almost cannot hear the sound. You can increase the volume. See? Here we have the sound, right? The sixth is audio filter box here. In the power cable we offer, it have this box. This box audio filter box. You need to check the connector to see if there's a back connection or not. The second is remove the board inside, short connect it. Now I will show you how to do this. This is the audio filter box. In fact, this box can open. Here. Inside, there's a small connector right here. Sometimes when you run the cables, this connector might loosen. So you need to double check if this connection connect well or not. Sometimes one speaker have the sound, another speaker without sound. You can use this connector. Now I will tell you how to do it. Take out and short connect this cable like this. Here. Then don't use this small box. The sound go directly here, just like this. The seventh step is the check if the original aux or audio out work well or not. Here, this picture. You can also find a earphone to test the Android audio out. To test this, insert to this and hear the sound. If there's a sound come from this connector, that means the power cable we offer and the Android screen we offer is working fine. And you can also find a AUX cable connect to your phone to test the factory AUX in. Connect to your phone to test if the factory AUX working fine or not. Finally, I want to make suggestions. Read our installation guide before installation. That can avoid a lot of problems. You can watch the video and the guidance we offer and make a test before recover the dashboard. To make a test for the audio first. Don't install the dashboard and then finally to make test, because it need to track the optical cables, AUX connections, and so on. Please make photo or video when you have problems. We need to make sure the connection or the setting you made is correct or not. And finally, I want to suggest you to double check the connection. This photo you can see the video cable is back connection, and this is the audio cable connection. That is back connection. You can use the tape to tie up for these connectors to tie up to avoid back connection in the future. Okay, thank you very much.